Super. How do you Bharat, that is Bharat. This is Pila's face with the goggles, Asima goggles. This is Mr. Divya Kumar. Wait, sorry, wrong zone. Son of Nagan dash Nagi. This is Mr. Satish. He's in love with one girl. She's in love with him. Both love each other.
Ayyo, Sami.
Xavier, the guy with the cool goggles. This is rejected. This is Dinesh, aka Iyer. This is me.
Prakash Melwani, son of
This is Mr. Karnakaran. He got Mr. Babu. He got a new house, a triple bedroom, triplet square feet, triplet. This is Mr. Johnny Jacob, backup, and
Captain ready.
This is our captain, Mr. Abraham Johnson, who is also known as Sansan. This is his full face. This is his chain.
This is his belly.
Dingo is in love with him.
Belly.
Let's get married.
Johnson will marry Dingo. She's sending a message to Johnny, let's get married. I don't know why. Okay, thank you.
Hey, Johnny, captain.